Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mango app you click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Mango and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your